Alright, welcome back, friend. Of all possible things, why the hell I am painting Kung Fu Panda? It's probably what you are thinking right now. Well, there is a pretty good reason for why and what. But before we dive into that, let's talk materials first. Today I am painting into an ordinary wood panel and some acrylic colors. Nothing special about the wood panel. It was there in my backyard and thought of using it. But not to forget, I did seal the surface with acrylic emulsion. A single coat of this acrylic medium can prepare the surface and you will be good to go after little an hour. Technically, you don't have to do this, to be honest, and sometimes I don't. But you need to be aware that you can lose some saturation of the colors, which can lead to a non-vibrant output. I usually don't use the transfer of the sketch. I prefer using lighter pencils for the drawing like HB or 2H. Anyway, this doesn't matter a lot because finally we are going to cover those things with the color. Let's come back to my unusual subject choice. Why would I be painting Kung Fu Panda? My initial reaction to such a question is, why not? But in this video, I would like you guys to think in a different direction. And to do that, we first have to find out what is the difference between panda and a banana. Let me explain. Different things look different. That is something we all know on an intuitive level. No one will mistake a panda and a banana. The question is why? Why people don't mistake about banana and a panda? A simple answer is our fundamental levels of understanding is designed in such a way shapes and colors will let us identify the things. For example, I would ask you guys to remember a banana in red color. You can imagine, of course, but it can't exist. Whenever you see a banana, you can identify those with yellow or green color, right? To conclude, everything in this world has a shape, color, and associated texture as well. With these three things, you can identify the objects and relate to your previous experience. Hence, as an artist, if you are drawing a banana or painting a banana, it should look like it. Shape, color, and texture is what you have to concentrate as an artist. If you will concentrate, observe the things exactly how it looks, and if you can replicate the same thing over the paper or the canvas, I think you are going to be a great artist. Assume that there are 10 steps to be an artist. Shape, color, and texture, what I just talked about, is just the first step. There are many other criteria and there are many other ways of becoming an artist. Proportionate, perspective, anatomy, mode, selection of the colors, selection of the mediums. There are many other ways and options for you to explore. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Give a thumbs up to this video and share with your friends.